Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'm going to be doing a look with this CoverGirl quad, and this is a coffee shop. It's a really beautiful quad. It's a gorgeous cover story. So I'm going to begin by picking up that light shade right there, applying that to my brow bone. And this light shade has a slight sheen, or healthy sheen actually. Not slight, it's a nice healthy sheen. It's pretty. It's very pretty. So how you guys all doing? You guys are all doing great. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up this palette. And the name of this palette is by Clean Color Bombshell, and it's in Showstopper. That's what Showstopper looks like. And I'm going to be going between that peach and that orange. Those two shades right there. Apply that into my crease. Excuse me. So yeah, how you guys all been doing? Hope you guys are doing great. As for myself, you know, being patient, hanging in there, because you know, I'm not gonna stress over stuff, which is not advisable. Or I could choose to just be patient. Things will come. So that was the peach shade I started off with first. Now I'm going in with the orange. I really like the effect that this gives. It's really pretty. Blend that up a little bit. I'm going to be picking up the quad and that dark brown right there. I'm going to be picking that up. I'm going in the outer V and crease. And change up brushes real quick. Use a smaller one. And blend it out a little bit. So I was gonna finish that haul that I had started because I found the other bag, but then I said, you know what, let me do a quick look first. Like, why not, right? And I'm just gonna go above that brown with that orange and peach, just to give it like that halo effect. Brighten it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take the primer I'm going to use today is by Nicka K Cosmetics, and place that on the lid, well, on the mobile part of the lid, right there. There. Okay, I'm gonna smooth that primer out, put it exactly where I want. That looks good right there. I'm going to take a brush and the coffee shop palette. I'm gonna take that gold right there. It's really pretty. Excuse me, the fan is blowing my hair around again. Yeah. And for those of you who are interested, yes, the palette is still very pigmented. And I've had it for a few years. It's an oldie but a goodie. Look at that. Like, hello. Beautiful. Let me take that brown again. I lost it a little bit when I was blending right there in the corner. Now I'm going to pick up that light eyeshadow right there again. I'm going to pop that right into my tear duct. Okay. Very nice. You know what? I did not get to use that gorgeous color right there beside the gold. So I'm going to pick it up, place that right beside the gold, right there between the gold and that brown. Lovely effect. Oh, very nice. Oh, I like that. Yes, indeed. That's a lot. It's a lot of dimension. It's really pretty. Nice gradient. I like it. Okay. Alright, I'm going to pick up this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. This is in black. I'm going to be applying the black Wet n Wild eyeliner to my upper lash line. Just a thin line. Just want to add a little dimension. Nothing drastic. Just a little definition. That's it. It's really nice. Makes a big difference. Okay, now this side here. You know, guys, I decided that, I don't know, unless you guys want to see them, you let me know. Comment section down below if you would like to see what I see when I'm out or not. Because, to be honest, I do realize how embarrassing it is. It's filthy. People are vulgar. And the filth, and it is very embarrassing. It really is. So let me know in the comment section down below. Should I stop them all together or less of, or just stop? But see what I see is outside. Like when I'm power walking and stuff, or going to the store, and I record what I see. Yeah. Anyways, I'll leave it up to you guys, okay? But please let me know. And for those of you who think I am putting New York City down, I am not. I do not throw trash on the ground and then record it. And actually, I pick it up after I finish recording. I don't keep walking past that stuff. But Okay, got a little story. The last time I did that, there was a group of young men and women from the hood, and as I walked away, bags that I had placed trash in, broke them open and just emptied them out when I'm right there. So yeah, you know what? They like it. That's their way of life. That's how they like to live. So who am I? I tried for years. I'm good already. Laughing at me and all that. You don't have to worry about me no more. Now I understand why these folks left. Anyways, I'm gonna be applying this mascara in black, and this is Wet n Wild Mega Wear by Wet n Wild. Yeah, I'm good. Not picking up any more dog poop or trash. I'm not. I promise you it fell. We're good with that over here. That's why, if you're not subscribed already, I hope you consider it. Subscribe, comment, rate, hit the notification bell, share if you like. Those things will help me get out of here, because those of you who've been with me for a while, know that I'm trying to get out of this place. You're probably thinking, yeah, you've been trying for a while. It's taking you so long. As disgusting as this place is, you wouldn't believe how high the rent is. It makes no sense. You would think that this neighborhood is back the way it was when we first moved in. Middle class, working class people. Nope. Most of the people who live here now are people that got kicked out of the projects. And how are they able to afford these very high rents for around here? Thanks to Section 8. Thanks to the government. But anyways, yeah, just want to get out of here, that's all. They can have this place, and they can live the way they want and filth. But I just want to go. I really do. I've been ready for a very long time. And that's all I ask. I'm not asking no one to change or anything. We haven't had a neighborhood watch in years since the last people moved out. And the neighbors are not the same, of course not. Because what was that no snitching thing? It's the stupidest thing ever. If they think I'd go to prison for them, they're out of their minds. No, I don't care. Nope. I just want out. They can do what they want. And they already tore this place up. So yeah. Anyways. Let me see. Am I done? Are we done? Are we quite done? It looks like it. Okay, I'm gonna recap. Did my eyebrows with this Maybelline Finer Brow. And of course I used the CoverGirl Quad. At first I was only going to use three shadows. The dark brown one, the light one, and the gold. But then I managed to incorporate that one also. And it worked out because it just added to it. It actually makes me think of fall when I see these colors. But you can use them whenever. It's out of summer. It's great. And the Showstopper cream color. And I like that orange and that peach. The yellow also a lot of times adds to with the little halo effect. And on my lashes, I have on the Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara in black. Nicka K eyeshadow primer. And excuse me. That's what fell. The Wet n Wild eyeliner in black. Should I do my lips? You know what, guys? I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna use a lip gloss. If I can get this thing up. What in the world? Okay. Woo! Alright, we have NYX. We got using Nicka K. Let me see. They're all so pretty. It's hard to decide. It really is hard to decide. This is in Woody Brown. So Nicka K. Nope, this looks like burgundy. A Nicka K Lip Shine in Woody Brown. That is really pretty, huh? It does have like a burgundy undertone to it. Let's see. Whoa. Very pretty. Woody Brown. I'm gonna lighten the center with this Nicka K Lip Shine and Dawn. And that is Dawn. Just want to apply it to the center, see what it does. Okay. Didn't lighten up anything. Anyways, it's too sheer. I'm gonna try this Nicka K Lip Shine in taupe. Let's see what this does. This is not the same taupe like my favorite. They had a taupe and it was everything. Okay, let's try this. Yeah. Well, you do, right? Hey. The one I was searching for. It's an e.l.f. lip gloss. And natural. Beautiful. Okay. Very beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna do this lip liner. It's a mix and it's mahogany. Just want to line the lips. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. I'm gonna apply these pretty girls. That is it. That's the look using the CoverGirl quad and Coffee Shop. And I use the entire quad for this look. All 4 shadows. Very happy with the look. The only thing I used from Beauty Supply Store was the Plain Color palette and the primer. Oh, and the lip liner. And the lip gloss. Give you a little close up. That's it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. And until next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.